The ultimate driving machine is a terrific slogan and a high mark for BMW to consistently live up to. I'm Tom Volk with Driven for the New York Times. Driving purists insist older 3 Series cars, affectionately known as the E36 and 46, are more fun than the larger modern models. The new 2 Series replaces the 1 Series, but growing 3 inches longer, it's about the same size as those older 3s. M235i has the letter that gets the attention of enthusiasts. This is not a full-on M2, it's BMW's M Performance series, much like Cadillac has their track-ready V cars, and their more reasonable and affordable V Sport. Compared to standard BMW models, M Performance cars get improved power, chassis tech, aerodynamics, grip, and brakes. They're just not as heroic as a pure M model. It's a moot point, though. There is no standard 235i or M2 yet. The 3-liter inline-6 with twin-scroll turbo makes 320 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque low in the power band. This is a rear-drive car, all-wheel drive is optional. An available manual transmission has 6 cogs. This automatic is an 8-speed. Driving dynamics can be tailored to suit your intentions. Wet roads are pretty poor for measuring 0 to 60 times. BMW's 4.8-second claim seems accurate. The great thing about the M235i, it packs the performance thrills of past M3s, and some 14 years later, costs less. The transmission always seems to be in the right gear. Engine doesn't sound half bad either. My go-to machine for romping on these roads has been Cadillac's ATS lately. M235 makes me think twice about that. The size, sharpness, and telepathic nature goads drivers to push hard. Budget for speeding tickets. Electric power steering gets a pretty bad rap, and for good reason. It's usually very, very numb. BMW got it right here. Good heft, nice road feel. There's loads of that ultimate driving feel, the intangible BMW is famous for. M Performance suspension tuning has a supple feel, balancing tenacious and tolerable. Unless you take your car to a track, I don't know that you need a pure M car. Having lots of fun, I'm seeing 23 miles per gallon. I doubt that you'll see much less than that. Cover the badges, and there's still no doubt this is a BMW. The iDrive user interface keeps improving, though it's still a little cumbersome. Seats are darn near perfect for holding aggressive pilots in place. Pricing? Well, at $46,000, the only options here are premium paint and leather chairs. They are not heated, no proximity key feature. The fob must be fished out to gain entry. Backup camera and navigation? Nope. All things you'll find on a $22,000 Honda Fit. Just saying. Obviously, the 235 is much more fun to drive. You might not use the back seat much, but it's nice to know that you can. I'm 5'9", and I've got just enough room. There are belts for 2 back here and just enough room for my size 11s, even a place to plug a phone charger into. Good luck with drinks, though. Here's something I wish all cargo holds had, besides a lot of room. Space-saving hinges. There are no intrusive arms to crush cargo. No spare either. BMW is big on run-flat tires. The trunk can be made larger, always handy. Pack lightly though, 4 bundles is the same as ATS. If you want the pretty BMW coupe, save up for the 4 Series. The 2, which is also available as a convertible, looks more svelte than the 1 Series, but keeps some of the stubby silhouette. M235i's beauty is found behind the wheel on twisty tarmac, where you just might find the ultimate love affair.
No matter what they say, no more lies, I take you away. A new hand of cards for shattered hearts. Come with me, like liquid gold, about to explode. Feel my heart, let it burn. Be my fire starter. Shoot your love through my veins. Be my fire starter. Oh my God, now my feet. Oh my God, it's very down here. Ooh, it's all wrong. It's all wrong. It's you and I. You and I, no matter what they say, no more lies, I take you away. Feel my heart, let it burn. Be my fire starter. Shoot your love through my veins. Be my fire starter.